Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the top programming languages you should learn in 2025. It doesn't matter whether you are a beginner or a seasoned developer. These are some of the languages you need to master in 2025. These languages will help you stay ahead in the tech world. Without further ado, let's get started. The first language on our list is none other but Python itself. And this language is just the powerhouse of programming. Python is renowned for its simplicity and versatility. Its clean, readable syntax makes it perfect, not just for beginners, but for every other programmer out there. If you have coded in different languages such as Java, JavaScript, and you have tried Python, oh my god, you know what I'm talking about. This language is just so powerful and so simple, and it's just the best to get started with. Python is incredibly powerful and it shines in different fields like data science and machine languages. Libraries like Panda, NumPy, and TensorFlow dominate the market. When it comes to web development, you have frameworks such as Django and Flask, which makes building web application straightforward, and everything that you need is just there. You don't need to add any other third-party libraries. You don't need to keep on integrating other third-party libraries. It just comes with everything out of the box. Automation. Python is used for automating mundane tasks, making workflow more efficient. And you have not just touched on the community, there's a massive community ensuring you never run out of resources or support. And the community is so friendly. And let me tell you something, Python is one of the best languages to learn in 2025 if you're just starting out. You're not going to be disappointed. Python tops this list. I cannot just emphasize how Python is great. I love Python. I love its community, super friendly. The support out there, the resources. Literally, you can just do anything in Python. And its demand for Python is not getting any lower. People are still seeking Python developers, and Python is being used as one of the best languages to ever be invented out there. Python is the way. Next up on this list is JavaScript, the king of websites. JavaScript is essential for creating dynamic, interactive websites. If you ever clicked on a button and seen something cool happen, that's JavaScript at work. I started off with JavaScript. As a programmer, I started by learning JavaScript as my first language. And if you're looking to become a website developer, you need to become a good website developer, especially in the front end. You need frameworks like React, Vue.js, Angular, which are just powerful when it comes to developing a front end, and also the back end. Nowadays, you can use JavaScript to develop a full stack application. Another thing that I like about JavaScript is that it's so flexible. It's such a flexible language. You can literally add anything to it and it just works. Thanks to Node.js, you can use JavaScript for server-side programming. You can also use JavaScript to develop mobile application, desktop application. You can use frameworks like React Native to build mobile applications both on the iOS and Android. As the backbone of the web, JavaScript is here to stay, and the demand for JavaScript is not getting any lesser, especially in 2025. Master it and you will be the best web programmer out there. The third one on the list is TypeScript. JavaScript's more organized sibling, TypeScript TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, which means you get all the power of JavaScript with added features like static typing. Why should you learn TypeScript? The most important thing about TypeScript and the reason why you should learn TypeScript is, first of all, it helps you catch errors during development, which can save you a ton of work and make your code more reliable and maintainable. Once I started using TypeScript, I cannot develop a website without using TypeScript. I cannot go back to basic JavaScript. Why? Because the types and matching types really helps you when it comes to figuring out errors and debugging your application, which is super important for every programmer out there. TypeScript is also super scalable, which means it's a favorite for large projects where maintaining code bases is crucial. And another thing, TypeScript is extremely on demand in 2025. Companies are looking for TypeScript developers. It's one of the most on-demand languages in 2025. Major companies like Microsoft, Slack, and Asana use TypeScript for their projects, and they're looking for these developers day in, day out. If you master TypeScript, you're going to have a high chance to land a job in 2025, especially with the high competition that is in the development field right now. If you want to future-proof your JavaScript skills, TypeScript is a must learn. Now, the fourth language on the list is Go or Golang. Imagine having a language as powerful as C++ and as easy to learn as Python. This is Go, which was created by Google. Go is designed for simplicity, efficiency, and performance. It is an excellent choice for systems programming and back-end. And one thing is, high performance is just off the hook. It's incredibly fast and efficient, perfect for applications that need speed. Golang for sure is one of the most on-demand and well-paying languages out there in the market today. Golang developers are being sought after every day. It's easy to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, which is crucial for modern applications. That's why it's being sought after. That's why companies are looking for good developers so desperately, because it's just powerful and it's super fast. Companies like Docker, Kubernetes, and Uber rely on Go for their ecosystem. If you're aiming to work on cloud computing, microservices, or backend system, or you want to be a backend developer, Go is the perfect language for you. Last on our list is Rust. Rust is becoming the most popular language as we are talking right now. One of Rust's most significant selling points is its ability to provide memory safety without compromising on performance. Rust is literally as fast as C++ or even faster, and is way much more safer. This is achieved through Rust ownership system and borrowing rules, which prevent common programming errors such as null or dangling pointer references. Also, its cross-platform development is another selling point. Rust excels in this area, offering excellent support for cross-platform development, which means with Rust, you can write code that compiles natively for almost all range of platforms. That is Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, Android, name it all. a growing ecosystem and community support in Rust has just been amazing. This community-driven approach has led to the development of a rich ecosystem of libraries and tools that now make Rust development more productive and enjoyable. The learning curve for Rust might be a little bit hard, but if you want to challenge yourself, well, Rust is one of the best languages to master in 2025. And with this, I come to the conclusion of my video. Hope you found this useful. If you did, leave a like and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more awesome and wonderful content for tech enthusiasts and for those who are willing to expand their skills in software development. Thank you.